replacing a engine air filter for a 2016 Volvo XC60 T5. Most of the videos you see the air filter boxes to the right there. I didn't see a video for this one, so we're going to try it out. I think the air filter is right here. I got my part from Volvo. Air filter is pretty interesting because it has a filter on the filter, restricting the airflow for some reason, I guess. So we're gonna try to undo these two screws here and see what happens. Thanks. So it's actually really easy. Once you remove those screws, you grab the handle right here and this lifts out, and then there's your box, and then you replace your filter and you take those two screws out and you put those two screws in. So it's really simple. I just didn't see any other videos online. Most of the time the box is over here to the right. I think with the 2016 and the turbo they've moved it, so hopefully this helps. Thanks.